Today I will present you the Arduino UNO revision 4 now, because I have updated, with a temperature sensor on one wire. The temperature is sensor in one wire is 18B20. Let's have a look if we have this in the simulation, the DS18B20. Yeah, there is. So I choose it. The nice thing of this simulator is that you don't have to invest in hardware. Huh? This sensor don't cost a lot of money, but you have to have it. But here you can start directly to make your project with the WOKWE. Which pin we have here? We have a ground, we have a data, and we have a VCC. We will connect the VCC to the 5 volt and the ground to the ground of the UNO board, to the port 12 of the UNO board. To the port 12, I will go like this, up, down, and I will connect to the port 12 for the this temperature sensor. Choose the DS18B20, this one.